The friendship prank.
Why? Why on my roof again?
You want a beer?
You're drinking?
Yes, Friday.
8:32 a.m.
I don't care.
8:32.
Where are you going? You got sweats on.
Going to the gym.
Oh, fuck that. Come on.
It's gonna ruin my whole Friday?
I don't think it's ruining it.
It's disgusting. The fucking old delivery man. This is disgusting. The black thief caught on doorbell camera. Fucking thief.
Excuse me? ¡Hey! ¡Estúpido!
Some fucking people do anything. They have no duty. The fucking people.
David, open the door.
Hi.
David,
We'll be right there.
here, take this, David. David, these are. David. Somos que David. The monster? Habibi.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Delivery.
For who?
The house of doctor.
You can leave it on the floor.
Aha.
That's why you fat. Look at you, greedy. No, you can have it. You can have it. You got it, brother. You thought it was some snacks in there? Look at you. You can go ahead and take it. It's a big box for a big back. Come on and get it. I know you need it.
I think I was confused, bro.
Oh, I think you hungry. And people act abnormal when they hungry. You seen the Snickers commercial. Come on and get you his little box. Don't try to run either. I don't want you to have an asthma attack on my porch. Get the box. I know times is hard.
I don't live too far.
I know you ain't walking far. I know you ain't walking far. You ain't got to tell me. Go ahead and get it. Big back. You too big to be a thief. Come on and get it. At this point, I just want you to get the steps in. You never know. It could be some workout equipment in there. Look at it. Okay. All right. That's what you get.